We just finished up checking out Clayshire Castle and decided to check out Cataract Falls, the largest waterfall in Indiana. If you missed my video about the Clayshire Castle, make sure to check the link down in the description because it was pretty cool. But we'll see what this waterfall looks like. Coming up on the lower falls of Cataract Falls. This is a state recreation area, so it costs $7 to get in. If you're an Indiana resident, $9 if you're not. You can also get a pass to get you in all the state parks for $50, I think. Look at that. Cataract Falls.
Mom, what?
Oh.
Oh my God.
I was facing the other way. Hey, do it again. Do what you just did.
God, it was evil and mean. I grabbed Beyoncé's arm.
And Beyoncé just laughed.
Yeah, because I knew it was like fake. Like she wasn't gonna jump in the water. I knew it.
This is grapevine. See all the grape leaves? It's all growing down through here. Beyoncé, stand in this puddle right here. Okay. We're on this together.
Okay, Bethany.
Okay, get up here. No. I'm stuck here forever, guys.
Let's go.
Too short to get out.
Let's go.
Apparently, I wore my family out because we're at the upper falls of Cataract Falls to check it out, and they didn't want to get out of the van. They said they're too tired, so at least they can go back and look at this video and see what it looks like, and you can too. I found a path to get myself down to the bottom part of the falls, but had to watch my step because it was really rocky. It's where they're going right now. They're going back up that path. All right, I hiked down a little farther. Wanted you to get to see what it looks like down here, further away from the upper falls. Walking on terrain like this, which is a little rough. So if you like what you saw here on my channel, if you like videos like this, feel free to check out my other videos. I like to do a lot of stuff with travel and food and things like that. So thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you again next time.